Bluetooth-enabled perma-lubrication systems can be controlled with the mobile perma-connect app. You must be within range to control these perma-lubrication systems via Bluetooth. The maximum radio range of perma-lubrication systems is 30 meters. You can see whether there is a connection to a lubrication system and how strong it is under all systems. Please make sure that you are in the correct company. This is displayed in the header. Open the menu to see all companies which you have access to. Select the company you want to work with. When you are in the correct company, the desired lubrication system is displayed in the list with the configuration information. The strength of the connection is indicated by the signal strength icon. A connection to a lubrication system is only possible if at least one bar is filled. Press the Connection Indicator button to make sure you are connecting to the correct lubrication system. The display of the connected lubrication system will flash. Clicking Details will take you to the detailed view of the lubrication point. The overview for a company as well as the detailed view of the lubrication points is also available in the web application. The data listed there is always up to date as per the last active connection between the mobile app and the lubrication system. Non-Bluetooth lubrication systems are also displayed in all systems, and the details for them are available. All functions based on Bluetooth are not available for these lubrication systems.